Hello YouTube, I'm Karan from India, and in this video we're gonna talk about how to show the real loading effect in batch. So I'm not going to talk about some fake loading or pausing the console for showing the user that something is loading in the background, but it is not. But here I'm going to show you the real-time loading in batch, the method to do that. And for that you just need to create a loading function, and I have created a loading function, but for the sake of this tutorial I'm going to create it again. So here are some files from my previous work with the tutorial folder, and I'm going to delete that. Let me create a new folder and name it as tutorial, and we will write the name of the file as loading. So let me close this one and go into the tutorial folder, rename the file as loading.bat and edit it, not now, using the Sublime text editor, and let it load. Come on. And as you can see here, I'm going to create a loading function. So the function will put 3 dots, let's say 10 dots, no, 10 will be more, so 5 dots on the CMD console until the things gets loaded. So I'm going to do all these things in the title. So here is the number of dots you want to print. So 4/L percentage a in 0,1, the first parameter that user will provide. So here we will see dot is equal to dot. So you will know the syntax if you are a very batch programmer. And I have enabled the DEC condition so that we are using exclamation signs for the variables. And now in the title we're going to print loading percentage dot percentage, and we're going to check if a file is exist or not. If exist, the second parameters that user has provided, then we will write title, or let it be here, finished, else simple, without finished text in the end of the title. So go to end of function, and here we have successfully created the loading function. And now let's create a batch file which will call this function. So here I'm going to ping a website. So let me first call the loading function, call loading. Let me save it as ping test.bat, and we're going to call the loading function, and we're not going to give some variables. Let me think, so I'll be back after thinking. Yeah, I'm back. So I have thought of the logic of the function, as we need to do these things in loop, and here we need to write a label end, and after finished we have to end the function too. So after doing that, in the ping test we just need to call loading, and here we don't need to do that. We just need to check for the first parameter, and let me set the dot as dot function. So no need to do dec, and you will see it will keep on adding dots until the process is finished. So here I am going to create a temp file which will indicate that the loading has completed. So after ping the google.com, or let why ping the Google, let's ping our own website, TheBATeam.org, and after pinging we're going to create a file, finished temp, and when the file temp.txt, let's say, and we are going to start /b, and here we're going to pause the process. So let me run the ping test. Oops, not enough storage, something went wrong. Yeah, we need to give some delay here. So let us give some delay. Timeout/t, 1 second. And you will see here it is loading, and after finished the real-time loading has told that the process has finished. So let me ping the website 10 times. So you will see I don't want to buy you. Okay, let me delete the file, and again, as you will see, these processes are going side by side because we are using multi-threading here. After 10th result, it has checked that file is existed and it is finished loading. So you can do that in the background too. For example, let me redirect the output to nothing, and you will see that in the background, oops, we forgot to delete the file, and in the background it is still running, but you can do, and you can show the real-time loading. After the process is finished, you can show the loading is finished. So that's how you can show the real-time loading in batch. I hope you like this. Please feel free to subscribe and feel free to comment. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.